long trunk. Many years ago, elephants had small trunks. One day, an elephant saw a crocodile lying down on a riverbank. The elephant said, "Hey, you crawling creature, I wonder why you are not small like other creatures. You are too long for your own comfort." The crocodile lost his temper and said, "Wait, I will show you how strong a crawling creature can be." Immediately, the crocodile caught the elephant's trunk in his mouth. The elephant cried out in pain and tried to pull out his trunk from the jaws of the crocodile. But the crocodile held on to it with his sharp teeth. Soon, the other animals heard the elephant's cries and came to his rescue. They pulled the elephant by his tail, which caused the trunk to be stretched long. The elephant became very sad upon seeing his stretched out long trunk, but the animals told him that now he could reach the higher branches of the trees to eat leaves and fruits. Finally, the elephant felt happy again. Dr. Crokie. One day, a lame frog left the pond of a village and hopped away to a lake in a nearby forest. He wanted to make a new home, but when the frog reached the forest, he did not see anyone around. Now, how would he get to meet the animals and make friends? Suddenly, he got an idea. He climbed up on a high rock by the lake and announced, "Friends, please come here. I am new in the forest. I want to meet all of you." Many animals heard the frog's croak and came to the lake. The frog said, "Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Crokie. I am a doctor who can cure any ailment that you might be suffering from. I have medicines for all the diseases." Hearing this, the jackal said, "If you can cure everyone, then why have you not cured your legs? See how you keep limping around." All the animals and the birds laughed at the frog. The frog turned red with shame. His lie had been found out. The Fox and the Snake. Once there was a fox who lived in the deepest part of the forest. One fine morning, when the fox was roaming around the forest, he saw a huge, thick and long snake enjoying the sun. His long body stretched from one corner of the path to the other. The fox was very impressed by the big size of the snake. He thought, "It's such a large snake. If I try to imitate him, I will surely become as long and as mighty as the snake. I must try this at once." So the fox lay down on the path by the snake's side and started stretching his body. He tried hard, but his bones and muscles ached. Yet he did not grow long enough. At last, he stretched so hard that many of his bones made a crackling sound and broke at once. The poor fox did not know that one should not compare oneself with others who are stronger or larger than oneself. The Boot in the Jungle. Deep in the jungle, where no man went, there lived many wild animals. One day, they came across a strange object. It was a man's boot. They had never seen such a thing before. All the animals started discussing about the strange object. "I am sure it's the shell of a fruit," said the bear. "Can't you see that it is a nest? There is a hollow in which the bird can lay its eggs," said the wolf. "How can you be so foolish?" said the goat. "Look here, these are roots, so obviously it is a plant." A duck was listening to their argument. It said, "I have been to a land where many men live, and this thing you see is called a boot. Men wear such things on their feet." "You keep out of this," said all the animals. "We have seen no such thing, so we cannot believe you." The duck said, "Believe what you want to, but remember that you can't know everything."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.